Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox a new smartwatch. It is the M6 smartwatch, and from the picture we can see it is the Xiaomi watch copy. Firstly, let's check the box. In this side, there are some functions. Okay, then let's open the box. Firstly, we see a watch. This watch is very similar as the Xiaomi watch. Then inside there is the silicone band. And the charger. And finally a menu in Chinese and English. Okay, now we have put on the strap, and then let's see the watch. This side it has only one red button, and this is only for looking. It is unable to press this button. And this button is the power on button. And this is the charging pins. Also, this is the speaker. Okay, then let's power on the smartwatch. Firstly, we see a language list. And it has many languages. And we click English. Firstly, let's check the clock faces. So it has 10 clock faces. And then here is the quick action such as the Bluetooth and the flashlight and the silence mode, and also the calculator. And this is the Bluetooth connection. And I click the watch face, we can go to the main menu. And it is the 9 apps style. Also, it has 4 apps style. Okay, now let's put on the smartwatch and test those functions. First, the dialer and phone book, call logs, and the messaging. These three icons need to connect the smartwatch with the phone. And then the motion and heart rate. Then blood pressure, and the physical training. It has several training models. Totally 11 sport mode. Then the secondary reminder. You can change the time to remind you. And then the BT connection and the sleep monitor, Bluetooth music, and the remote notifier. Then the setting. This is the wake up gesture. Then the clock. If you want to change the clock, the date and time, you need to click the time cycle to off. Then you can go inside and change. Then the sound, volume and the display. And if you want to change the menu style, you can go to here to change. And the international. If you want to change the language, you also need to change the auto set to off. Then the reset and the about. And the sound record, app download, and the alarm. Find my device, and the remote capture, stopwatch, and then the calendar, and the calculator. The Twitter, Facebook, and the WhatsApp are for synchronizing the incoming message notification from these apps, but it is unable to reply or send a message. So that's all those functions of this smartwatch. We will connect the smartwatch with phone and test more functions. Thanks for watching.